guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining in today's video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing one, and I am going to unbox GlamGo box for the month of March. So if you want to see what all products I got this time, so please keep on watching. So before I move towards the unboxing, guys, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you have clicked the bell button right next to the subscribe button, and also you are hitting the like button down this video. So let's proceed towards the unboxing now. Talking about the packaging, this is how the outer packaging of the box looked like. The box have reached to me in this kind of a packaging, and after opening this brown packaging, the box looks something like this. Now, can we just appreciate the packaging, guys? This is the anniversary edition. If you don't know that, March is the month when it's GlamGo's birthday, you can say. So this is how the box looked like. I really like this vibrant colors going around the box, and the theme of this month is Girl Boss. This is very much well fitted to the month of Women's Day. So I really like the outer packaging. Now everything is so perfect about this box, but I do have a sad story with GlamGo. Now every month I get my box after 15 of every month. Means it's like mid of the month and you're getting your box. At times I get my box at 18, at times I get my box at 20th. And this is a big disappointment from my side. Now everything is perfect with GlamGo. I really like the products. I really like the boxes, theme, products. I like everything about it. The only thing which I don't like is that this box always comes late to me. But fortunately this time I have received this month in like 9 days. Today is 9th of March and here is the box. I don't know, I have mailed to them a number of times, but maybe this is how their process works. But fortunately this time I have received my box on 9th of March and I'm really happy about it. So this is how the box of March looked like. The packaging is a bit changed this month. This comes in this magnetic closure. The box itself is really sturdy. This box is pretty much similar to like Glow box. They also have this magnetic kind of packaging, which I love to bits. So yeah, as far as the packaging is concerned, I just love it. Moving towards the products which I received in this box is, after opening the box, I get the card here. This does say that this is an anniversary edition box, and everything else is mentioned here on the card. And apart from this, I don't have any card as of now in this box. Now let's move towards the product list, that what all products I received in this box. So the first thing which I can see in this box is this peeling off black mask, which is good for men and women both, and this is from the brand Mondsub. Now if you do follow me from long, if you have seen that I have done a complete review of that Health with charcoal mask. That was a peeling mask that was perfect for removing blackheads and whiteheads. This is all similar to that. Everything is similar. I have read the ingredients. Everything is almost similar, but that was from the brand Health with, and this is from the brand Mondsub. So this is basically a charcoal deep cleansing mask which helps in removing nose blackheads, and wherever you have dark spots, this do help in making them little lighter. This comes in 100 gram of packaging at the price of 1000 rupees, guys, which is like almost like 3 times or 4 times of the whole box. Really good, guys. That is why I said I love everything about the box than their shipping criteria. So yeah, this is my first product, which is peeling off mask from the brand Mondsub, worth rupees 1000 rupees. Moving towards my second product. So the second product which I got is this. This is from the brand Kronokare. This is basically a hair mist which will protect your hair from outer pollution and whatever the damage you get from pollution. So this is from the brand Kronokare. This comes in a 30 ml of packaging at the price of 395 rupees. Now this is basically a Pollu stop hair mist kind of thing. This is a leave-on protective screen against pollution for hair. This is good for all skin types. This is free from sulfates, mineral oil, paraben, fragrance and silicone. Invisible shield against pollution nanoparticles that protects, nourishes and strengthens your hair. Whenever you are going in heavy pollution, as we do protect our skin from the outer damage caused by pollution, similarly you can use this leave-in mist in your hair and you can protect your hair from that damage caused by pollution. So this is basically a leave-on anti-pollution kind, anti-pollu kind of a mist. This is really good. I think this is kind of a new thing to explore, and I'm really happy that I got to explore new thing through GlamEgo, and this is from the brand Kronokare. So yeah, this is my second product and I'm really happy about it. Moving towards my third product, and the third product is this eyeliner. This is from the brand Voste. Now we were asked to choose our own makeup product. There were certain other options too, but I prefer to choose this eyeliner. This is basically a pen eyeliner, liquid eyeliner in the form of pen, and this is from the brand Voste. Now I hope by now you know that how good Voste brand is, and now let me just quickly do a swatch of this and show you that how intense this is. Oh my god. So this is how the tip look like. I hope you can see. This is a very fine tip, very easy to create any kind of a wing liner, and you can see that how intense this is. The color payoff is really good. This is intense black and very easy to use. If you are a beginner, this is a perfect option for you. Now, the price of this is 400 rupees, and this is my third product. Okay, that was my third product, and moving towards my fourth product, which is this Oxy pack from the brand Aroma Magic. Now this is basically overnight a leave-on pack. You can just apply it on your face and can leave it for whole a night. This will help in making your skin little lighten and restore whatever the damage caused on the skin. Now I really like it I really like the fact that this is a leave-on overnight pack. You can actually leave it and can take a maximum advantage of it. This is good for all skin types. This comes in a 20 gram of packaging and at the price of 90 rupees, which I really love. So yeah, this is my fourth product. Now I have another product which is basically a return gift because it was GlamEgo's first birthday, which is this another makeup product. This is from the brand Voste, and this is this nail pen which have a really beautiful orangey kind of a color, which I am wearing as of now on my nails. I really like this. This dries really quick. The texture is really good, and I'm pretty much liking the color as well. This is not that full pigmented orange color, very subtle and kind of a sunset orange color. I'm really liking. The price is 150 rupees, but this I will consider as a return a gift. So this is my fifth product. This time in box we got 5 products. So yeah, that is it for the box. I hope you like it. I hope you like all the products. If you want to buy one box for yourself, this is a perfect gift basically, guys. If you want to give something to a female candidate, or maybe to your girlfriend, maybe to your sister, maybe to your mother, then subscription boxes come really handy. And if we talk about subscription boxes, they come very handy. And if you want to get some quality products, then yes, GlamEgo is the answer. So that is it for the video, guys. I hope you like it. I hope you like my unboxing, and I hope you are going to buy it whenever you need a gift for one you care for. So that is it for the video, guys. In case you want to buy one for yourself, link is in the description box. Sure, you go ahead and check that out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit a big like to this video. I shall meet you in my next one with another unboxing. Till then, you take care. God bless you. Bye bye.